Are you familiar with intermediate code generation? If not, don't worry, I'm here to help. Intermediate code generation is a crucial step in the compilation process. It involves translating a source code program into a simplified representation known as intermediate code. Why is intermediate code generation so important, you might ask? Well, it plays a vital role in making the compilation process more efficient and facilitating the generation of target code. By converting the high-level source code into a lower-level code, intermediate code generation helps optimize the performance of the final executable program. During intermediate code generation, the source code is analyzed and transformed into a form that is easier to work with. This intermediate code is independent of the specific hardware or operating system and serves as a bridge between the source code and the target code. It allows for better error detection and optimization techniques. One of the advantages of intermediate code generation is its portability. Since the intermediate code is platform independent, it can be easily translated into target code for different processors and architectures. This flexibility allows developers to write code once and run it on different systems without having to rewrite the source code for each platform. Another benefit of intermediate code generation is its ability to simplify the subsequent stages of the compilation process. By breaking down complex programming constructs into simpler representations, intermediate code generation makes it easier to perform. Optimizations such as constant folding, code motion, register allocation, and dead code elimination. This leads to improved efficiency and faster execution of the final program. To summarize, intermediate code generation is a vital part of the compilation process that converts high-level source code into a simplified and platform-independent representation. It not only helps improve the efficiency and performance of the final program, but also enhances code portability and facilitates various optimization techniques. So next time you encounter the term intermediate code generation, you'll know its significance. In the world of programming,